So guys, I'm going to do the unboxing for the LustyLion watches. I got this watch in this wooden box. So let's open it up. We have the protective padding for the watch. There you go. Looks pretty nice to me. Let's look at the accessories we have. We have one extra band piece with one extra link pin here. Always comes in handy. We have this manual on how to fix the time and date on the watch. We have this another manual. I think that's for fixing the watch. Yeah, if you want to take out a band piece or you want to add an extra one, so that's how you do it. And I think last but not the least, this is the screwdriver which we need to fix the band pieces in the watch. And there are some few extra link pins in there as well. Always come in handy. So guys, let's look at the watch finally. Okay, there you go. I think we need to peel this protection cover off. It's nice that they put a protection cover. You never know with the packaging and all the stuff. There you go. I think I like this pretty much. I saw a few watches on the LustyLion website and this is the watch I like the most. The watch name is Alpha. So if you go to the LustyLion website and search for this should come up. And I'll put a link down below where you can go and have a discount if you buy this watch. And guys, tell me in the comment, how do you like this watch?